Investors in India are continuously seeking ways to simplify their trading experiences. With the evolution of technology, many trading apps have garnered popularity for their innovative features and user-friendly platforms. Three of the best trading apps in India offer unique advantages to different types of traders: Zerodha Kite, Upstox Pro, and Groww. Zerodha Kite is often the go-to app for experienced traders due to its advanced charting tools and seamless execution of trades. It can easily be integrated across desktop and mobile platforms, which makes it highly adaptable for traders who prefer multitasking. One of the app's standout features is the console, which provides comprehensive insights into trade history and account metrics, enabling traders to make informed decisions. Upstox Pro comes next, positioning itself as a competitor with features akin to those of Zerodha Kite, but it appeals to both novices and seasoned traders alike. With its minimalistic and user-friendly interface, the platform allows smooth navigation. Upstox Pro excels in providing real-time analytics and the ability to trade in a vast array of segments like equities, commodities, and currency. Additionally, the app offers customizable watch lists, providing traders with up-to-the-minute information on their selected stocks and securities. Lastly, Groww has made investing even easier and accessible by focusing on simplicity and transparency. It's ideal for beginner investors who want to dip their toes in stock trading and mutual funds. The app stands out by offering no intrinsic charges for account setup or maintenance, and it allows users to invest directly into stocks, mutual funds, and even fixed deposits, all in one space. With an intuitive interface, it simplifies the trading process, supported by educational resources that help users become more aware of their investments. In conclusion, the best trading app is one that aligns with the investor's needs and level of experience. While advanced traders might lean towards Zerodha Kite for its robust tools, beginners might find Groww's simplicity appealing.